Welcome traders. Today, the strategy I will be sharing with you is a smart 1-minute sniper trading strategy that will surely elevate your trading game to new heights and help in catching market trends in early stages of developing. In this video, we will go through the complete details of this powerful strategy. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 1-minute time frame to explain this strategy. You can also use this strategy on any other asset. The only requirement in terms of the asset or market is liquidity and trading volume. Because this is a scalping strategy and the profit and loss that we're gonna take are small in terms of price movements. So we don't want to experience any unreal price gaps or larger spread between bid and ask prices, because this can damage our trade entry stop loss and profit. As you can see, this strategy uses only 2 simple indicators, but we are not just going to follow the signals from these 2 indicators. We will also use multiple other techniques before opening a buy or a sell trade. I'm going to be explaining all the complete conditions in detail in this video, so make sure you don't miss any part of this video. First of all, I will quickly remove these indicators from the chart, so I can explain everything from the beginning. First of all, for adding indicators on the chart, we will click on Indicators section, and we will search for FX Sniper T3CC Sniper. And we're going to add this one, which is created by EdgePotter. After adding it to our chart, we must change its settings. So let's access the settings for this indicator. In the Input section, we will change the CCI period to 35. You can also change the style of this indicator according to your liking. That totally depends on you. I'm going to be leaving everything else on default for now. And this is the only change we are going to be doing for this indicator. Now let's add the second indicator we will be using in our strategy to our chart. We will need to add 3 exponential moving averages. An easier way is to add a moving average ribbon to our chart, this one, so we can manage all of them here in the settings in one place. So let's quickly add the moving average ribbon to the chart. Instead of using a single moving average line, the ribbon displays several moving averages simultaneously. Now, let's open the settings for this indicator. We need 3 moving averages, so we will remove one of them. And we will set these 3 moving averages to EMA, just like this. And we will set the length of these 3 EMA to 96. Make sure all 3 of them are set to 96. After that, we will change the first EMA to low, the second one to HLC3, and the third one on high. Now please make sure you follow these settings for good results. After this is done, we will click OK. And now our chart is completely set. So first of all, let's see how we will get buy and sell signals from these indicators. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here, I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. These 3 moving averages provide us a support and resistance zone. I'm sure you guys know what support and resistance levels are. For those who don't know, the support level is where the price regularly stops falling and bounces back up, while the resistance level is where the price normally stops rising and dips back down. This is an important concept to understand because we are going to be using this in our strategy. So when the price is above these 3 EMA, the market is considered to be in an uptrend. So this zone acts as a support level. And when the price is below these 3 EMA, the market is considered to be in a downtrend. And this zone acts as a resistance level. By the help of this strategy, we want to catch the turning point of the market where a new trend forms. For example, here we can see the price closes above this zone. So this is a signal to open a buy position. So we can open a buy position here at this candle. Although this indicator gives good signal on when to buy and sell, but using only this indicator for your entries is not a good idea. That is where our sniper indicator comes in. We will use this indicator to confirm the signals given by the moving average ribbon indicator. Whenever if this indicator is above the 0 level, this indicates us that a buy trend is taking place in the market. And whenever this graph is below the 0 level, just like it is here, this indicates us that a sell trend is prevailing in the market. Now that we have an idea of how our indicators work, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we will wait for the price to cross and close above the 3 EMA, just like it did here. Secondly, before we got the buy signal, there should be a considerable distance between price and the moving averages, just like we have here. For example, these ones that you see in this picture are not accepted. Where the price keeps crossing and moves closely to the zone, it shows the market as flat, and in this situation, the number of false signals are considerably high. So after this, we will confirm the buy signal by looking at the sniper indicator, and it should be above the 0 level and green in color. After these 3 conditions are met, we will wait for a pullback to this zone, just like this, and we enter a trade when this resistance line, which is actually resistance level formed by this high, is broken. We do this because having all the requirement up to here doesn't necessarily mean that the price is going to advance with high probability. So we enter only when this resistance level is broken, which happened here. So we can enter a buy position here. Our stop loss for this trade is placed below the hour moving average zone, which will be right here. And for the take profit target, we will use a risk to reward ratio of 2. Now, let's see if this trade will be profitable or not. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy trade using this strategy. Now, let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here, I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. To start a sell trade, we first wait for the price to cross and close below 3 exponential moving averages, as shown here. Another important thing, as we have discussed in our buy trade example, is to have a good gap between the price and the moving averages before the price crossed and closed below the moving average ribbon indicator. After this, we check the sniper indicator. It needs to be below 0 level and in red color. Once these 3 things are okay, we expect a pullback to the zone, like this. And then, after we've got a pullback, we will enter the trade when the price breaks the support line formed by these candles. So as all the rules are confirmed, I will open a sell position here. Our stop loss will be set above our moving average zone, and the take profit target will be set at the same risk to reward ratio of 2. Now, let's see if this trade makes a profit or not. I hope you've got the hang of how to start a buy and sell trade using this strategy. If you guys have any suggestion on how this strategy can be improved, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. If you guys liked this video, make sure to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.